If your machine isn't circulating oil properly, it may cause performance issues. Let's explore the possible reasons and how to fix them. First, unscrew all the screws on the front panel and carefully remove it. Next, gently pull apart the sides of the insulation cover and take it off. Now, as you can see, the oil pipe is disconnected from its place. If the machine is operated now, it may jam due to insufficient lubrication. Let's fix this. Simply place the oil pipe into this hole and insert it securely. Reattach the insulation cover and front panel. If you notice the oil flow is too low or too high, you'll need to adjust it. Let's see how you can control the oil flow. First, place the machine in the rest position. Now, locate this screw marked with plus and minus signs. Turn the screw to increase or decrease the oil flow as needed. Once the oil circulation is normal, you're all set to go.